Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. The first video I've made with using my new hotkey for centering an item in the center of the page on the rotation. And I'll put a link to that video. I mean, it's just like a day old. But we're going to create this using that system without using guidelines in the middle to tell me where it's at. So I'm going to take an ellipse, it doesn't really matter what size, and I'm going to hit P. And then I'm going to take a square and holding down the control button, and then I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees, and I'm going to hit P. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to hold down the shift key and have it grow from the inside out. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line, a 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go from that node way over to here, and then I'm going to get it really close to that node or put it right on that node. Now, we want this square in the middle, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and double-click and add a node, and then I'm going to take these two, select both those, and right-click and turn it into a line. Now, it changed my curve a little bit, but I can always still change my curve to however I want it to look. You just need to inspect to make sure you're right on the line, and I'm not because I moved it. So I'm just going to take that node and go right to that edge. That'll stop it from leaking. Now, here's the alternate P. I'm going to hit this. This is it's selected. I'm going to hit alternate P, and it's going to come up with this. My page size is 40 across, so I'm going to go 20. My page size is 28, so I'm going to go -14, and it put the rotation of this in the center of the page. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate that 90 degrees. And then that's really all I need to do. You could go all the way around, but then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now I can actually nudge that up. Well, I don't have my nudge factor set very high. I'm going to set it on like 5 inches, and I'm going to nudge that out of the way twice. I'm going to delete my lines because because of the new system, I don't need that to know where it is because it's going to be, well, it's a new item, so I have to do the same thing. Alternate P. I'll try that again. Oh, it's way down here. I don't know why that is, but we can type in 20 and a -14. And now my rotation is in the center of the page. Now, before I rotate it, I'm going to use the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go from that color to a black to make it look like it's going inside of something. I'm going to slide my bar over a little bit. Now I can Control D to make a duplicate and see my rotation is there. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. That's pretty cool. Let's put it on a black background by taking a rectangle, making it black, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page, and that looks pretty cool. But we can even go further than that. Let me move these out of the way. We don't have to be all the same color. I can select that one, get the interactive fill tool, and I can just change this color to that. Now I can click on that one. I can change this color to that. Click on this one. I can change this color to red. So much easier. So I will put a link to that video to show you how to make this hotkey. And I said in that video, it's a game changer. Because stuff that's really hard to find the center of the rotation on the center of the page, it does it almost automatically. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.